Hi, I'm Tom, and today I'm going to introduce you to our brand new hand sanitizer Android advertising displays. They feature a 22-inch IPS panel that's 24/7, so it's designed to run constantly, a true commercial grade solution. They're completely contactless, so as well as having an automatic hand sanitizer, they also come with a free network upgrade and 1-year free subscription to our online CMS. So once they're installed, you don't even need to touch them to update them. The only time you need to touch them is to clean them. They have a robust steel enclosure, which obviously make them ideal for public spaces to provide that extra protection, but also when using high alcohol content hand sanitizer as advised by the World Health Organization, metal's obviously a lot safer than plastic. For the same reason, they feature a 700 milliliter capacity tank for the hand sanitizing solution itself, again just for safety reasons. Refilling the tank is very straightforward. So they have a front locker which completely isolates the high alcohol content sanitizer from the internal components, again for safety reasons. Simply remove the lid, put the sanitizing solution in and then replace the lid. From here you can also change the dosage if you want 1 dose or 2 doses on the actual pump itself. They come with a free super slim wall mount, but also an optional floor stand with an LED light strip. Just like all of our other commercial grade solutions, they have a full 3-year manufacturer's warranty and lifetime technical support. For more information, please get in touch today.